who showed him no love. So he was on his own. And it was during the summer. His uncle lived next to a lake. Every morning, his uncle would get out on an old wooden boat and row out into the lake, and keep rowing and rowing and rowing. And the little boy would watch him row out further and further and further, watch him get smaller and smaller and smaller until he disappeared into the mist. He watched his uncle do this every morning, and every night he'd watch for his uncle to come back. His uncle would be gone all day, every day, out on the boat. And he would have to feed himself and take care of himself. Well, one day, his uncle came back late. And the next day, his uncle came back even later. One day, when his uncle came back really late, he decided he'd ask him, "Uncle, where is it that you go to every night?" And his uncle said, "Mind your own business." He decided to ask him again the next night, "Uncle, where is it that you go every day?" "Mind your own business," he'd say again. He decided that third time was the charm. And he asked, "Uncle, where is it that you go to every day?" And on this particular day, his uncle had come back early. His uncle turned to him and said, "You'll find out soon enough." The old boy wondered what that meant, but didn't really think any more into it and went to bed. Well, one day, and on this day, it was particularly foggy. And as usual, his uncle left early in the morning and rowed out into the lake until he would disappeared, as usual. Bored, the little boy walked along the shore of the lake, throwing rocks and playing with bugs, when he saw another old boat on the dock. He tested it out, pushed it out into the water, and it floated. He got into it, and it didn't sink, and there was an oar. He decided he'd follow his uncle. So he pushed the boat out and started rowing. Everything seemed fine. He rowed, went out further into the lake. He never remembered being out in the water before. He had no memories of that. But he felt that something was wrong. The farther he went out into the lake, the more things around him, things on the shore, seemed to disappear. Not like they should normally. They seemed to really disappear, as if the fog was swallowing them, swallowing everything. But he kept going. He kept rowing. Until he couldn't see anything. Everything around him was fog. He called for his uncle. "Uncle Joe? Uncle Joe?" He heard his uncle call back. "Sammy." Sammy. Uncle Joe? Sammy. He kept rowing, trying to follow the voice. Sammy. Sammy. Is that you, Uncle Joe? Sammy. Sammy. The closer he got to the voice, the farther it seemed. Uncle Joe, where are you? Sammy. Sammy. Suddenly he felt the boat rock. Uncle Joe? He looked over the edge into the water, and he saw his reflection. He touched the water where his reflection was. It made his face ripple. And then he saw his reflection talk. Sammy! Sammy! He watched his face say his own name in the water. Sammy! Sammy! Sammy got scared. Uncle Joe? He felt the boat rock again. And then he heard that voice call his name one more time. Sammy! And again. Sammy! And suddenly, the boat tipped over, and Sammy was never seen again.
The end.
Aww. The end.